Alright guys, good afternoon from Pattaya, Thailand. Depending on where you're at in the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope you're all doing well. So I kind of want to bring a different video to you today. I'm actually on my way to a place called Tukam. It's here in Pattaya. I took a bot bus, just dropped me off, and I got to walk about a 5-minute walk from here. It's not very bad. But what I'm going to go show you, it's basically, I think 3 or 4 floors of electronics. You can get a lot of electronics there. Like there's one floor that's nothing but mobile phones. There's another one that's computers. I think I've seen cameras there. They have everything there. You'll see in the video in a couple of minutes, but where the butt bus dropped me off, I just wanted to show you around. Yes, there's still a lot of restrictions and everything, but check this out. Street vendors, all kinds of street vendors over here. Let me walk so you can see this alley a little bit. So there's a lot of street vendors going on right here. Gold, if you're looking for gold. So I mean, sometimes it's just good to walk around and explore. I mean, heck, look over here. I'm assuming it's a lot of gold. I don't know. I'll walk by in a little bit when I'm on my way home. But yeah, you see all kinds of gold, all kinds of motorbike taxis, all kinds of carts and stands and food stands. I mean, this is really cool. So, you know, like I've been saying, you always got to make the best of every situation, and with the current restrictions and everything, make the best of it. Walk around, find stuff, explore. But anyway, I'll tell you why I'm going to the Tukam when I get there, and it's a pretty cool place. So I hope you like this video. Alright guys, I'm here inside Tukam. I showed you the building from the outside. Basically, like I said, the first floor is actually nothing but like a mobile terminal, so cell phones and stuff like that. Let me flip the camera and I'll show you around. So you can see it's nothing but cell phone accessories, stuff like that. You see over here. So it's a big place with nothing but cell phone accessories. So if you're looking for that, that's really cool. Alright, so unfortunately the store that I came to see is closed right now. I was here yesterday. I brought my computer in. They were able to install some programs onto my computer, like Word, Office, Excel, and stuff like that. They charge you a one-time fee. It's pretty cheap actually. A lot cheaper than in the States. Like you have to pay monthly or an annual subscription. It's a pain in the butt and it's very costly. So this was very cheap. It was a very cheap way. Comment below if you want to know how much, and I'll tell you how much it was and the details. The store I came to see was DJI. So if you guys have been following my videos or my vlogs, you know that I use here's a picture of it, the DJI Pocket. So I wanted to buy an external microphone for it. It's wireless and everything, but unfortunately the store's closed right now. I mean, you guys know the situation that's going on. Unfortunately, it is what it is. They don't have the business right now, so they're shut down. I had a feeling that was gonna happen, so. But I thought this place was really cool yesterday, so I just wanted to show it anyway. So I'm still happy I came back to make a video out of it. Lots of electronics here. CCTV and different kind of cameras like that. Yeah, so as you can see, they have a lot of electronics. It's pretty much known for electronics, so if you need anything installed on your computer, this is the place to go. Third floor. Just a heads up, they did try to charge me more for a MacBook. So yeah, they did try to charge me more for a MacBook, so just be prepared for that. But this is one of those places where you can kind of barter a little bit, so don't be afraid to. So I'll give you one last look. I'm kind of leaving right now. On the mobile floor, if you guys are in need of a selfie stick, I got one yesterday for pretty cheap, so you'll find that. Alright everyone, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I said, you can go get software installed on your computer. So if you need like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, if you need any Adobe things like PowerPoint, stuff like that, they said they do it. Premiere, Rush, they'll install it. It'll probably be different prices, so you have to ask them what it is. And again, don't be afraid to kind of reason with them a little bit on the prices. But I hope you enjoyed it. It's very helpful if you bring your laptop and you need some programs installed. I'm on the opposite side of the road now, so I'll show you a little bit of how busy this street is, because there was a lot of stuff here. So hope you enjoy it. Last couple of minutes I'll put on some music and you can enjoy the scenery here. So I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe and make sure notifications are on. Have an amazing day.